Hello, hello, this is Christy Jones, Holistic Health Coach, and I'm with my friend Marina. Did you want to say hi?
Hi.
And we are going to show you a game, one of my favorite mindfulness games called Wow Wow. So if you're ready to learn, grab a partner and we will teach you this game. So are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's walk through it. Ready? So put your hands up, and what we're going to do is follow our pattern. We're going to clap our hands once here, and then clap our hands together and say,
Wow.
wow. And then clap here again, and then we're going to clap twice and say, wow, wow. And then once here and 3 times, wow, wow, wow. Once here, wow, and then twice, wow, wow, and then once, wow. So this pattern of this game is you're clapping 1, 2, 3, saying wow each time, and then going backwards, and then keep going. So let's walk them through it a little bit quicker and show them how it's done. Does that sound good?
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, awesome. So let's go ahead and start. So clap here once. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. So this is so fun, isn't it? What's fun about this game is this is actually a mindfulness game. It's helping to bring your mind and your body into the present moment. Would you say you have to focus?
Yes.
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 So this is a focus exercise. And when you say wow, what do? You
Smile.
smile.
Yeah, you smile.
And when you smile, you release chemicals to your brain that make you feel good. Did you know that? So you release chemicals to your brain that make you feel good. Also, your hands are your biggest connection to your brain. So when you're using your hands, you are stimulating your brain. And then you're clapping hands with another person that you care about. And so you get that connection, and that feels so good. Now, when we mess up, what do?
We try again.
We try again, and we laugh. And do you like laughing?
Yeah.
Yes. When we laugh, we feel good. So this game, once again, is one of the best tools we can to release tension and stress in our body. This game can be used with your kids, with other adults. Who else? Like, when else do you think this would be a good time to play this game?
Like with your friends, or when you're mad. Or something.
Oh yeah, when you're mad, this is a really good game to play, because all of a sudden you relax your body, you start laughing, and you feel so much better.
Like some of the other games you taught me, sometimes like I just do that when I'm
You'll
upset.
just do them when you're upset. Awesome. I love that you play the games that we've learned together. So let's do it again. So join us and let's do it again. We're going to keep going up. 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1, 2, 3, and then 2, 1. So let's play again. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see how long we can go.
Oh,
Ready?
And then we could go faster and faster.
We can go faster and faster. Yes, so ready? Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. That's okay. Ready? Okay. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. That's
Wait,
okay.
we're doing 2.
So we're doing
times
1,
so much.
and then 2, and then 3, and then
That's still
2,
a lot.
and then 1. Yes, you do 2 twice as much because it's in the middle. Right? Yeah. And once again, even when we mess up, we're learning, and it's fun. We get more of a chance to laugh. Should we do it one more time? Okay, ready? Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. Now 3 times.
I thought it was 1.
Let's try one more time. Ready? Wow. Wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow. Wow. Wow, wow. It's that 2 that gets you sometimes, right?
Yeah.
That's okay.
All the
So
time.
this is the fun thing about the game, is that we just play, and the more you do it, you get better and better, but it's the fun of playing the game together.
Yes.
And would you say, how do you feel after you play this game?
Good.
Feels good, right?
Yeah, you feel good.
Yeah. So that's what it's all about, is having these simple, fun games that we play that feel good. So is there anything else you want to share and let our friends know that are watching this about Wow Wow?
It's mindfulness.
It's mindfulness, right? Yeah, and mindfulness is helping to bring our mind and our body into the present moment.
It helps you connect with your brain.
Connect with your brain. What else?
makes you feel good and smile. Like, laugh just makes you want to laugh.
Laugh, feel good, smile. It's
Yeah.
pretty important, right? Awesome.
That is an important thing.
Yeah. So thanks for playing. I'm so glad that you could come over and we could do this game together.
Yeah.
So try this with your kids. Try this with, even at work, try this with everyone you know, and let us know how you like Wow Wow. Have a great day. You gonna say goodbye?
Bye.
Bye.